GTM is a corporate tax services firm offering scalable, practical tax solutions for today and tomorrow. With GTM, your tax function becomes smarter and built around your success. GTM has grown from our Philadelphia roots to become the nation's largest firm devoted exclusively to corporate tax services. Wherever your business takes you, our global network ensures you have the same trusted expertise at your side. Our services cover every area of corporate tax, helping you build, manage, and optimize a stronger tax function. And behind it all are professionals who listen, work alongside your team, and stay committed to solving your toughest challenges. Whether you need targeted support or a long-term partner, GTM brings deep experience to your corner with solutions that adapt to your tax function and evolve as your needs change. While other firms focus on what they do, GTM focuses on what you achieve. We work across all major industry sectors, and our clients are a diverse mix of corporations. We are trusted by Fortune 500 companies, middle market companies, and emerging growth companies alike. GTM isn't just another tax advisory firm, because it's not about us. It's about you, your business, your future, and building a tax function you can count on.